Hi, I'm Lydia from Trowel and Table. Today I'm going to talk to you about slugs and snails in your vegetable or flower garden. I've had a terrible problem this year and I've tried every single method out there. Today I'm going to tell you what I discovered that really works. It's 100% organic and it's free and it made all the difference. The first thing you want to do is determine if you do have a slug problem. You can do this by going out at night with a torch or a flashlight and looking to see what is eating your broccoli or your lettuce or your radish leaves. Slugs love fresh green leaves. The younger the better, so seedlings are #1 choice for them. Another way is to soak a wooden board in a bucket of water and lay that in the garden overnight. In the morning, flip the board over, and if you have a bunch of slugs sitting on the board, you know you do have a problem because they love a damp, dark place. Now, there are non-organic ways to get rid of slugs. There are pellets that you can sprinkle around your garden, but I don't prefer these methods just because there are dangerous and toxic chemicals in many of the products, so I try and stay away from all of those. And the organic ways take a lot more time. You are out there at night with a torch hand picking. You can try bear traps. I've tried all these methods and many others, and they do catch slugs, but it doesn't get rid of the problem. So I want to share with you what I have discovered that really works to get rid of slugs and snails. I discovered this method because I have a compost heap and I put all of our vegetable matter from the house in the compost heap. And one day I had half a watermelon in the compost heap. I hadn't chopped it up, which I usually do, and I turned it over and discovered it was full of slugs and all the flesh had been eaten out of the watermelon. So I decided I'm going to try this method right in the vegetable garden. And the next time we had watermelon, I scooped it out and used the rinds of the watermelon, the half, right in the middle of my newly planted broccoli and cabbage. And overnight I caught every single slug in that whole area. And that is how I've discovered the most amazing, organic, 100% free way to collect slugs and snails and get them out of your garden for good. One thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to be inviting slugs and snails into your vegetable or flower beds. So what I do the first few days is put the watermelon right in the beds and catch as many as I can. And then on subsequent days, I'll put it outside the vegetable bed to make sure that the slugs and snails are moving away from my vegetable garden or my flower beds. So give this a try, and you could even do it for free. I went to the public market this week and asked one of the vendors if he had any watermelons that were slightly damaged that he wouldn't be selling, and he gave me a box full, much to my daughter's horror, and it's worked great. If you have any other methods that have worked for you, I'd love to hear your comments below, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.